Okay, so again, we're done with problem number 2. So I'm going to go to my virtual notebook or my online notebook, and I'm going to insert a picture of my work. So again, insert, image, camera. You're going to have your paper or your notebook ready. Now, when you have it, make sure that the number shows, so number 2, and all of the work shows, and be as zoomed in as possible with your work, so super close. You press the yellow camera. Okay, now here's what's important. There's like pictures uploaded on the side here. You have to be really aware of what the pictures are. So the last picture that you see is literally the last one that you just took. So make sure you actually click it because it'll first start on the first picture. I know that this is the last picture that I took, so I'm going to click on the last picture and press insert. So now, here's my picture, and again, we're going to make it as big as we can. So now I see number 2, I see that I've separated. My answer is boxed, everything's good to go, my picture is super clear, and then we can move on to problem number 3.